25.
Ready? Going once, twice, or gone.
Okay, wait. Bring me the shekels of silver. We instructed you. You're the guy.
I'm your guy. Ready, second, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Come on right over here. Here's your purchase. Take good care of it, okay? It's just a little bit noisy about his dreams, but... Bye, little dream.